What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the tutorial series on RecyclerView. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to swipe down to refresh your list. And this could be useful when you delete few items here, and if you want to bring them back, just swipe down and everything will go back to the original state. So if this is what you're looking for, let's get started right now. Alright guys, so to swipe to refresh your layout, you need to go to Activity Main. This is where you have your RecyclerView widget, and just above the RecyclerView widget, you need to have swipe to refresh, and then choose match parent for the width and match parents for the height, and do not forget to provide an ID to it, and the ID would be swiperefreshlayout. And then for the constraints, you need to have constraint top to the top of parent, and then constraint bottom to the bottom of parent, and then constraint left to the left of parent, and then constraint right to the right of parent. And once you have that, just close what you have, and then you need to move this up. Just cut it from here and then paste it here. And this part is important because we will call this swipe refresh layout ID in our main activity, so that when the user swipes down, this will be called and eventually our RecyclerView get refreshed. So let's go to main activity.Kotlin, and you need to go to the bottom of onCreate method. So let's do that. And in here, you need to call swipe refresh layout ID and set onRefreshListener to it, and just like that. And then once the user swipes down, we need to clear everything from the list. So display list.clear, and then display list.add all, and then we need to pass country list to it, and then we need to notify our RecyclerView. So RecyclerView.adapter, and then check if it's not null. Lastly, we need to stop the refreshing once we swipe down. So swipe refresh layout, and then is refreshing, and then set that to false. And this is it. To see the results, run your app. Alright guys, so if you delete few items from here, and if you swipe down, as you can see, it works perfectly. Alright guys, we have done it. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to build mobile applications, web development, and programming tutorials in general, please consider subscribing and click on the bell notification so that you do not miss on anything. And see you guys in the next video.